So hello everyone and welcome to the first Blooming Fire devlog. This is a game that I've been working on for quite a while now. I have been creating a few scripts outside of this project that are not implemented yet, but all of these scripts that currently work are in the game. So I just want to take you through a few things that I've done now, what will happen in the future, and a bit of this game and what it will be about. So I think we'll start first with the things that I've done. So currently I've basically just made a movement script. I've added a few things that I'm not ready to show yet. A few more things such as attacking and other things like that. There are currently no animations since this is not a final model. This is only a placeholder model. I will be contacting an artist to have them work on this model for me, or having work on a model for the player for me and a few NPCs. Currently, I've only made a simple basic enemy controller that detects if the character is somewhere in the vicinity of where this person can see. I will be getting them to be able to notice if anyone's stepping or if they're walking. That will be added later, but currently I'm just fixing on getting a few things added to the game that are not added in yet. Yes. A few more things that I am currently working on is that the movement system currently is a bit janky, but I think that it is mostly final. There are a few things like the jumping that still feels a bit floaty. I think that sort of fits it, but also sort of kind of doesn't. Currently, there actually is a little double jump, and that will be and that will be in the final version as well. The feel I'm going for with this game is actually something similar to maybe, I would say Spyro is probably one of the biggest influences currently, with games like Super Mario 64 and also Sunshine being the current things that inspire me the most to create this game. So it will be a story-driven, probably shorter game, a few hours of playtime though, and it will have fights, it will have bosses, it will have a few more things that I'm not really ready to talk about yet, but we will be getting into those things later on in the devlogs. A few more things that I'm actually working on is that this terrain, as you can see, is not actually ready yet. This terrain is only a sample terrain just to test things like collision, getting everything to work so that this character doesn't just only move up the slopes like they're currently doing, but that this character behaves in a better way, and also you can see that it's sort of floating right now. Those are collider issues. They're fairly easy to fix. But I am honestly just focusing currently on getting movement and things that are a bit more tedious done. Things like fixing collision is pretty simple. A few more things that I'm working on is to get a camera collision system. I used to have one, but then that bugged out and caused everything to shake and stuff. It was a bit jittery, so I'm trying to get that reworked as well. I am only currently looking at developing this by myself, but as I said, I will be talking to an artist later, and I have been looking at them currently, and I think that I have one in mind that should fit this style pretty nicely, so I will contact them when I am more ready with the project. I am thinking on getting these updates done as much as I can. This one is just doing, or like a beginning one, so I will be only doing this for one day, but the other ones I will be having taking a look at the few things that I've been doing for like the past 3 days. So I will be trying to upload around 2 times a week. I also have a full-time job that is extremely, or I would say pretty, time consuming, but since I'm going on vacation soon, I will be able to getting more videos out during that time. Currently also I am not looking into getting any funding for this game. I will have my Patreon down below if you're interested in getting more of these videos and also getting this game out quicker. That would help a lot, but Kickstarter is not something that I am ready for yet. Yes, so as I said, I will be trying to get this out, or get these devlogs out as fast as I can. Also, I will try to see if I can get as many different devlogs out, and I will be trying to post as many videos as I can on this topic. Though I do see that there might be a few issues with getting things done, such as editing videos and other stuff, and I will be trying to get you guys updated if I miss a update. I'm also in the works of creating a Discord for this, which you can ask me direct questions, you can talk in the community, and you also can update or send me more tips or ideas for this game and see if you want anything inputted into the game. Also, if I get any Patreon messages, I will personally read them and I will try to implement your ideas best as I can into the game. So I think that's everything for now. That's the current state of the game. Animations, and as I said, the model is not finished yet, so I will be working on those later. I will be trying to make as many of the assets myself. I will do at least all the programming, and I will create a few of the models, but some of the models I will have to outsource. So if you are interested in supporting this project, as I said, there is a Patreon down below. Also, it's enough to just subscribe and maybe like this video so you could see more of it. Other than that, I would like to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next devlog.